Bro, you gonna keep that on your face or what? What you doing right now? You need to cut that smooth off, man. I'm telling you.
I'm trying to hold it down for No Shave November.
No Shave November?
Yeah.
You tripping, man. I cut mine smooth off to December, man. You tripping.
Man.
How long has it been since you got a cut?
Man, it's been 2 or 3 weeks now.
2 or 3 weeks?
Mm-hmm.
That boy need a fresh one.
I need a fresh one.
Hey,
Jesus.
if person don't ask, don't receive.
Yeah, I feel it. Trying to grow it out a little bit.
That's all you doing? Just
Yeah,
growing it out?
just-
That's what's up, man.
Yeah, man.
Hey,
Hey.
you better than me. I had to get me a fresh one. You better than me, man.
Yeah, but it's been quite a while since I got cut, though, bro.
That's man.
Mm-hmm.
You know how that cutter do.
Yeah, man.
It'll make you feel like a new man. New man, man.
For real.
I'm telling you, man.
For real, man. It'll bring me back.
2 weeks is a long time.
It's a long time, man. Ooh, I'm just trying to, have that good, feel good. I'm trying to, feel good about myself when I step out.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, with that fresh cut
Mm-hmm.
and your skills, man, I could really use a haircut.
Man, that's shoot. You know I got skills though. That's
Yeah,
one thing
got
you do
skills,
know,
bro. You got skills, bro. I never say nothing different.
I'm on my way home right now.
You about to go home?
I mean,
Dang, man, I thought the barbershop is like right up the street.
so you asking me for a cut?
I mean, if you gonna give me a cut, I ain't gonna say no.
Come on, man, let's go.
Hey.
You finna look fresh again, yeah. I'm trying to tell you. My boy looking like a Morion. All right, bro. What kind of cut you want?
Just a low fade.
Low fade?
Yeah.
HustleDreamProduction.
Oh, you heard about the Popeye's chicken sandwich getting re-released?
Re-released? Re-release? The way you got me popping back, I'm about to give you a 2-piece and a biscuit. This man has got life twisted. You worried about the wrong things. And you could tell he hungry. Turned around so fast, almost ate through the conversation. Oh, did you hear about the hot dogs get released? And I guess he's ready to risk it all for food. I guess food and haircuts go together like beans and rice.
Hey, you seen the KSI versus Logan fight? Bro, what the heck? Bro, what is wrong with you? Man, this dude risked his whole little life for a pair of clippers. Man, I ain't gonna lie to you. Them clippers did look expensive though. Bro, I would give him a helping hand, but nope. Bro, what are you talking about? That mirror don't weigh that much. Bro, I mentioned the KSI and Logan fight, and this man getting in the fight with the mirror. Come on, man. Come on now. The jig is up, man. Cut my hair.
HustleDreamProduction.
Hey, bro.
What's good?
Man, I'm talking to this fine little thing. Yeah, bro, I met her off Instagram, everything, bro.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, man, she a little spicy, little shorty, bro.
Spicy?
She spicy Latina, man.
Oh, that's what's up,
she was
man.
teaching me some Spanish, bro.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, man, she told me, she was talking about, quieres ser mía para siempre.
What the heck is that?
Oh, that's what I said, man. She wasn't trying to tell me what it was, but man, I'm trying to tell you. When she said it to me, bro, I was like, man, she really like man, like got me wanting to be in her DMs, trying to figure out where it could lead to.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, man.
So crazy, man.
Yeah, man. She cool though too.
Man, as long as she good for you.
Man, she all right, bro.
Yeah?
She all right, man. She might be the one.
Might be the one?
Numero uno.
Oh, man. God dang, man. Reaching over so far got my arms hurting. Bro is being too cool in the chair. It ain't even that serious. Let me try to see if I can... Oh my God, I'm dealing with a stiff neck. This man got me reaching for the stars, talking about, Jeezy, sky's the limit. No, stiff neck, sit up straight. Oh Lord, I'm dealing with a stiff neck. Maybe if I force it, I'll pull my weight on it and see what he do. Oh, yeah, I should beat his head with these clippers. Please just follow the rules, man. Just sit up straight. Oh, no. Come on, man. Come on, man. Sit up straight, man.
I mean, you could have just said that in the beginning, you know, don't get your panties all in a bunch.
Now, normally a person would move their hands. Maybe it's just me. Maybe I need to stop jumping to conclusions on what this might be and just get back to cutting. Well, look who we have here. You allowing this to continue, you nasty. Oh, so you doing this on purpose. All I'm trying to do is move the chair. And you want to act like you can't move your hand? Oh, well, I got something for you. Now let's see if you could eat a Popeye's chicken with no hands. Alright, YouTube, this is the video. If you like it,
Give it a thumbs up.
if you're new to the channel,
Subscribe, baby.
come on now, subscribe to us, please, please.
Hey, man. Y'all know y'all gonna love this video. Subscribe, man. This is 360 Jeezy.
And this is
His brother Imula Plays.
Imula Play.
Hey.
Make sure you guys follow him on Instagram and YouTube.
Thank you,
Links
man.
will be in the description below.
Woo!
Otherwise, we about this thing.
We about, man. It's kind of late, bro. I appreciate it. I love you.
I'm out.
Hey, bro, you heard about that? Oh, you heard about that?
I'm gonna turn around.
Boom, boom, boom. Touch. Boom, boom, boom. Touch. Yeah, man, I really appreciate everything that she, you know, contribute, man. I really like her vibes. Can you see me like?
I know, I can see your head twitching.
Yeah, man, I think I really want to be involved with her. I really want to be involved with her.
I think that was a good.
Hey, you seen the KS? Hey, you seen the KS? Hey, you seen the KSI versus Logan fight?
No.